Okay, now we have created road. Now we want to create side objects. First you need to have few side objects you can download from video description. Here we have few models. This is a model. This is a model. And this is a model. First you need to find proper scale for your model. This is 1 meter cube, and you can first find a proper scale. This is your car. Okay, first you need to find proper scale for your model. This is your model. Here you can change its scale. Okay, now we are ready to use this as a side object. Is there a 3D side objects? From side object section, create a new one. Enter its name, block, procedural model, and source object is your model. Now we are ready to create side object. This is the side object. Shift key and click. From side object section, enable side object. Okay, everything will depend on your taste. We can create another side object based on the fence. This is the fence. First you need to find proper scale. Okay, good scale. Now from either 3D create a new one. Fence. Procedural object. From side object you can enable fence. As you can see, the fence is for right side of the object. Here is the left. The fence rotation is wrong, so you can easily select Shift R, remove this one. You can easily move the marker position. As you can see now, the rotation is proper. Nice. Now you can easily create your fence by this way. Okay, now we want to create another fence from here to here. The rotation is okay, so we can just move fence. Okay. Create another side object. I want to use blocker. Another one. Okay, everything looks good. And so what we want to also create a billboard side object. Okay, you need to use proper texture. The size is okay. Not okay. Good. Select side object. Create a new one. Billboard. We want to use the mesh object. We don't want to use the perceptual mode. Billboard. Move here. As you can see, the rotation is not proper from side object. Billboard. Follow path. Equal rotation, follow path. No. Okay, as you can see, our side object works properly. Here you can increase the distance. Okay, everything looks good. Press Shift I to remove this marker. Okay, now we have as you can see, everything is very easy by using the EasyRoad. You can also customize everything based on your needs. As you can see, everything is very easy. You just need to use your own models to have proper racetrack. Everything looks good. And final step is optimizing the road side object. As you can see, the road has triangle counts here. Okay, you need to find your block, drag into the blender. Okay, I want to optimize this model. Press F3, decimate, shade, auto smooth. From here, decimate, you can enter ratio. Everything will depend on your taste. This model already is optimized, so we cannot optimize anymore. Okay, apply, export model. Okay, now we have optimized model. Center pivot. Okay, now we have an optimized model and we want to replace the current side object with the optimized one. Select side object from here, select block. Here you need to delete and reassign. Press refresh and refresh the scene. As you can see, the model is now underground because the pivot position is not the down part of the model. The center is here. You can from here manually, update the correct offset. Okay, as you can see, we can easily replace and fix the modeling problem. Okay, I hope this video is useful to you. Everything will depend on your test. Let me to create another side object. Plastic block. Mesh object. As you can see, everything is very easy. Here you can customize settings. Okay. You need to direct the material. As you can see, everything looks good. I hope this video is useful to you.